All right. See if I remember.
You remember how to do this thing? Yeah.
Not really. But hey, this is what growing up's all about. Learning things on your own, making mistakes, all part of life. My God, dude, that is a lot of shit.
It is.
I pulled a lot of that shit too. Fuck, my thing does it. What are you laughing at?
I might have told the juggies that I did most of the work.
You told him you did a lot of it? Oh, was that when I left you alone with the camera out here? You gonna say shit like that? Well, you fucking tell him the other. You know I helped you with that. You can't even try and spin it.
You didn't do it. I just said I did most of it.
Most of it?
Yeah.
Look, well, just because I can't do some of the heavier fucking logs and shit. Tell him I did a lot.
You did do a lot.
I did.
Yeah.
He's playing, you guys. Don't listen to Corn. He's a fucking. He's the trickster.
Lot of the small stuff.
I still don't forget you had a hand in that fucking teabag prank or whatever Jeffrey called it. Me and the net.
I don't know what you're talking about. He was just streaming, man. He's streaming now, isn't he?
Pay $20, tell the truth. Ha! All right, man. I gotta get this stuff started.
Oh, whoa, whoa!
Fuck. Shit, dude. Shit. All right. Okay. I'll back it up. I want to back up.
All right. Maybe it's time to just stop.
What?
Maybe it's time to just stop.
Dude, I can't keep it like this. Fuck. Fuck. I'm stuck. I can't leave it like here. My dad will kill me if he sees all this shit.
Yeah.
I got it. Fuck, dude. Fuck. What do I do here? What do I do?
He tried going forward? I don't know.
Try going forward. Okay. Go right back. Wait. am so fucked. This whole fucking thing is, it's not going, this is bent.
Mm-hmm.
This metal is fucking bent. Holy shit. There's no way, man. There's no way I can get in trouble for this shit. I was trying to do something good. I was trying to do something nice. Is he here? Why the fuck he's got his both trucks here? Is that the black one or the blue?
I don't know. I have no idea.
I swear I never seen them. Were these here the whole time? Weren't these?
I think so. Yeah, for sure.
Maybe somebody picked him up. Maybe he's on some kind of fucking date. I don't think he has a red fucking one. Maybe he's out in that orange car. All right, we gotta start doing something.
What do you want to do?
Think I should move it? You think I should try to move that?
Back?
I don't know. I don't fucking
I
know.
think it's
I
just
don't know.
gonna, yeah.
I need to think for a second. I'm trying to get in the head of my dad. What would he? I don't know.
You want me to put it down?
I mean, unless you can fucking help and film, I don't.
Might be able to do that. Let's try it.
Ow! They're all tangled up. Fuck! Maybe. Here, get on the other side of this. Get on the other side of this. Maybe we can. If. Ah! Ow! 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 Hold on! Ow! Fuck! Shit! Shit! Fuck!
What the hell did you do? What'd you do? Don't shake your head, what'd you do? Spit something out, come on. You freaked everything up. Why were you even messing with it, Jess?
I was, look, all the brush is here.
Yeah, that's
we had
all
brought
you
it out
had
here.
to
Dad,
do.
no. Dad, I was trying to help.
You were helping. How did you do this?
I used the backhoe. I drove the backhoe, and I was trying to push it.
I told you not to drive it. And look what you do.
I was just trying to help. I was just trying to push the brush, so I was gonna wood chip everything.
What
I
do
was
you
gonna
think
put it.
this
I was
is?
gonna feed it through here, and
No,
so
you
everything
weren't.
was done. No, I was.
I never showed you even how to operate it. So
I know.
why would
We were
you?
learning. We were learning how to do it.
No, you weren't.
I wanted
You
to
don't
do
even
it.
know how
I
to
wanted
hook
to
it
do
up.
it. So when you got back,
no
you'd
idea
see.
what you're doing. Like usual, haphazard all the time, and you screw things up. All you had to do was bring that up. Then you crushed the fence too. I just noticed that. I told you not to touch the tractor, and then look what you do. Why? Why? You never have a loss for words. Now you do. All you had to do was bring it over here. I would have taken care of it. It's all I asked you to do.
I was trying.
If you were trying, why is this the way it is? All you had to do was drag it over.
We brought the brush. I told you we were
Yeah.
trying to be proactive, and I thought if you saw that I was pulling my
brought
weight.
it over. You brought it over and stacked it here. But look, you tore the shit out of everything. Didn't I tell you to stay off of it? Because you don't know how to operate it. And especially this thing. You get caught up inside this and chew your ass till you're dead.
I didn't.
So this is shot.
I
This is freaking shot.
I was just trying to do something that you would be happy about. I thought if I
wouldn't
did
be
even
happy
more.
if you just brought that over. All I asked. Last night you vacuumed. I was happy you did that, but look what you did.
Were you happy?
Yeah, I was happy.
I feel like it's never possible to even please you, and I thought this would do it.
No, it is until you do shit like this because you don't think it out. All about you, all the time. Whatever's easiest for you.
I was trying to help.
Did you screw up my tractor too?
No. That I'm pretty sure. Here, look. Here's the keys. If you want them.
Yeah, I want the keys. Now what am I supposed to do? I
can fix. I'll try.
Another job I was supposed to take that to.
I can try and fix it.
You're not going to fix it. How are you going to fix it?
I don't know. I'll look it up. I'll do something online.
No, you won't. You don't have a clue. What happened? Look, he even ran this over. That was your brother's. He made that. For horseshoes, he was going to put it on either end. He was making them, and then you crushed that.
I was just trying to do something that you would appreciate.
Everything's bent the hell up.
I saved it from going over. It almost fell over.
I'd much rather it went over. What's the difference?
I don't even know why I bother. I don't even know. I tried.
No, that isn't the point. It isn't about you bothering. It's about you don't think about it. Have you thought about it?
I thought about it.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I thought about it.
You thought about the easiest way to do it is what you thought about. Right? Right? Didn't you? What'd you do? Push everything over with a tractor?
No.
You dragged everything here.
We dragged everything right here. And then I thought it would make things easier. How would you have done it?
How would
You
I
would
have
have
done
pushed
it?
everything, right? We did it all by hand. We were going to wood chip it by hand.
Who piled it all up there? I did. Who did it? You didn't do it.
This is why I don't
You
help.
wanted to help.
This is why I don't help. Because no matter what I try to do, you always have a problem with it.
All about you. All about you all the time. Now it's all about me. I gotta fix the goddamn thing.
I would help if you...
Now, what are you gonna do?
Go on, let's go.
Yeah, walk away if you screw things up.
You don't want me here. I would help, but you don't want me to.
Because there's nothing you can do.
Whether I help
If you thought it out, you wouldn't have done it this way.
Whether I decide to help you or whether I don't, either way I fucking lose and everybody gets hurt and I'm just a piece of shit.
No, because you don't think it out. It could have been you that got hurt.
Well, isn't that good that I did it? You don't seem too proud of that. You don't seem to care that I didn't get hurt.
out for doing shit that's stupid. What the hell am I going to do? I got work this weekend with it.